अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, सिंध एस्पायरेंट्स एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पर मैं हूं सईद। व्यूअर्स, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम क्लास 8 की साइंस को पढ़ेंगे और उसके अंदर जो भी तमाम चैप्टर्स हैं उनके चैप्टर वाइज तमाम एमसीक्यूज पढ़ेंगे। क्लास 8 की जो साइंस है वो टोटल मुश्तमिल है 12 चैप्टर्स पर। उन तमाम चैप्टर्स के हम एमसीक्यूज पढ़ेंगे वन बाय वन। वो तमाम एमसीक्यूज जो उसकी एक्सरसाइज में शामिल हैं वो भी, और जो एमसीक्यूज हमने निकाले हैं वो तमाम एमसीक्यूज। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्यूअर्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1 से, जो है ह्यूमन ऑर्गन सिस्टम के बारे में। पहला एमसीक्यू है नर्वस सिस्टम इज नेटवर्क ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स। सेकंड एमसीक्यू है ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज इनक्लोज्ड इन हार्ड बोनी प्रोटेक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड क्रेनियम। थर्ड एमसीक्यू है specialized nerve cells in nervous system are called neurons. Fourth MCQ है largest part of human brain is cerebrum. Fifth MCQ है long piece of nerve tissue that runs from brain through backbone within vertebral column is called spinal cord. Sixth MCQ है forebrain is part of cerebrum. Seventh MCQ है which part regulates involuntary functions such as breathing and heartbeat, that is spinal cord. Eighth MCQ है nerves which carry message to brain and spinal cord are called sensory nerves. Ninth MCQ है nerves which carry message away from brain and spinal cord are called motor nerves. उसके बाद 10वां MCQ है quick action in which brain is not involved is called as reflex action. उसके बाद 11th MCQ है essential organ for excretory system is kidney. उसके बाद 12 MCQ है each kidney has million tiny units called nephrons. उसके बाद 13th MCQ है process of filtering and cleaning blood outside the body is called dialysis. 14th MCQ है artificial kidney machine is called dialyzer. 15th MCQ है replacement of malfunctioning organ with healthy organ is called as transplantation. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट चैप्टर पूरा हुआ। चैप्टर नंबर 1 के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 2 पर, जो है हेरिडिटी इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स। पहला एमसीक्यू है प्रोसेस इन विच पेरेंट सेल डिवाइड्स इनटू 2 और मोर डॉटर सेल्स इज कॉल्ड एज सेल डिवीजन। सेकंड एमसीक्यू है द सेल विच डिवाइड्स इज कॉल्ड पेरेंट सेल and produces new cell, that new produced cell is called as daughter cell. Third MCQ, which part of cell is responsible for cell division, that is nucleus. Fourth MCQ, division of nucleus is called karyokinesis and division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. Fifth MCQ, cell division in which single cell divides into 2 identical daughter cells is called as mitosis. And sixth number, type of cell division that reduces number of chromosomes in parent cell by half and produces 4 gamete cells is called as meiosis. Seventh MCQ है meiosis is also known as reduction cell division. उसके बाद 8th MCQ है the basic physical and functional unit of heredity is called as gene. 9th MCQ है chemically a chromosome consists of protein and nucleic acids. 10th MCQ है passing on of characteristics or traits from parents to offspring is called as inheritance. चैप्टर नंबर 2 यहाँ पर कंप्लीट। चैप्टर 2 के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 पर, जो है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है द टेक्नोलॉजी दैट यूटिलाइजेस बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम्स लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस टू डेवलप और क्रिएट डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स इज कॉल्ड एज बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। सेकंड एमसीक्यू है द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग कॉपीज ऑफ डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल इज कॉल्ड एज डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन। Third MCQ है process of using recombinant DNA technology to alter genetic makeup of an organism is called as genetic engineering. Fourth MCQ है which organism is used for commercial preparation of insulin, that is bacteria. Fifth MCQ है information in DNA is stored in the form of coding having how many organic bases? There are 4. DNA के अंदर 4 organic bases होते हैं, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. उसके बाद 6th MCQ which is not the organic base of DNA, that is uracil. 7th MCQ है which scientist proposed DNA model in 1953, वो थे Watson and Crick. 8th MCQ है bacteria is used in genetic engineering because of its capacity to multiply very fast. 9th MCQ है production of human growth hormone is used for treatment of dwarfism. 10वां MCQ और आखिरी Which vitamin's gene is inserted in rice plant creating genetically modified rice variety? That is vitamin A. Chapter 3 के बाद Chapter 4 pollutants and their effect on environment. पहला MCQ है harmful substances which damage environment are called pollutants. Second, process of cutting forest is called deforestation. Third MCQ है incomplete combustion of fuels leads to emission of carbon monoxide. Fourth MCQ है which gas is responsible for heart attack and cardiovascular disease? That is carbon monoxide. Fifth MCQ है which gas is major contributor of smoke? That is nitrogen oxide. Sixth MCQ है group of gases widely used as refrigerants and foaming agents वो कौन सी chlorofluorocarbon. Seventh MCQ है region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiations and protects our Earth and other organisms is called ozone layer. Eighth MCQ है major cause of depletion of ozone layer is chlorofluorocarbon. Ninth MCQ है rain or any other form of precipitation that is usually acidic in nature is called acid rain. 10th MCQ है process by which radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms Earth's surface is called greenhouse effect. 11th MCQ है which gas is mainly responsible for greenhouse effect? That is carbon dioxide. 12th MCQ human induced warming of Earth ecosystem is called global warming. 13th MCQ है most dangerous type of pollution is air pollution. 14th MCQ है phenomena which leads to destruction of man-made structures and metals of archaeological importance is acid rain. That phenomena is acid rain. 15th MCQ acid rain, greenhouse effect or global warming and depletion of ozone layers are the consequences of pollution. यहाँ पर फोर्थ चैप्टर पूरा हुआ. फोर्थ के बाद आते हैं हम चैप्टर 5 पर केमिकल रिएक्शंस. पहला MCQ है change in which shape or size may alter and is irreversible and no new substance is formed. That change is called physical change. Second MCQ the change in which new substance is formed and is irreversible is called as chemical change. Third MCQ है symbolic representation of the actual number of atoms present in one molecule of that substance is called chemical formula. Fourth MCQ है a chemical change is called a chemical reaction. Fifth MCQ है substance taking part in reaction and written on left side of arrow are called reactants and the substances formed in result of reaction and written on the right side of arrow are called products. Seventh MCQ law of conservation of mass was given by Antony Lavoisier in 1789. Eighth MCQ है mass can neither be created nor be destroyed but can be changed from one form to another. This is the statement of law of conservation of mass. Ninth MCQ reactions in which two or more reactants combine to form a product are called addition reactions. 10th MCQ reactions in which single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances is called decomposition reaction. 11th MCQ study of heat changes in chemical reactions is called thermochemistry. 12th MCQ reaction in which the heat energy is absorbed or added to system is called endothermic reaction. 13th reaction in which heat energy is released from system is called exothermic reaction. 14th MCQ equations are balanced by trial and error method. 15th MCQ substance which alters the rate of reaction either makes it faster or makes it slower. That substance is called as catalyst. चैप्टर 5 के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 6 पर जो है एसिड्स, अल्कलीज एंड सॉल्ट्स. पहला MCQ है which scientist defined acids and bases and received Nobel Prize? That is August Arrhenius. Second MCQ substances which produce hydrogen ion मतलब H+ ions in aqueous solution are called acids and those which produce hydroxyl ions in aqueous solution are called bases. When acids and bases are mixed and their properties are destroyed and resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic, that process is called neutralization. Fifth MCQ substance formed a result of neutralization is called salt. ठीक है. Sixth MCQ litmus test if blue litmus paper turns red or red litmus paper remains unaffected then the substance is acidic in nature. Seventh MCQ, in litmus test, if red litmus paper turns blue and blue litmus paper remains unaffected, then substance is basic in nature. Ninth MCQ, scale where acidity or alkalinity of solution is measured is called pH scale. Ninth, pH scale range between 1 to 14. ठीक है. और लास्ट MCQ है 10th, those bases which dissolve in water are called alkalis. चैप्टर 6 के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 7 पर. पहला MCQ है, the measure of force acting on an area is called as pressure, whose formula is P is equal to F upon A. Unit of pressure is the unit Newton per meter square or Pascal. And when a liquid is placed on container, the pressure applied to the fluid by the container is equal to the container. That is the statement of Pascal's law. Fourth MCQ, a branch of science that deals with practical application of liquid in motion is called hydraulics. Fifth MCQ, a branch of engineering that makes use of gas or pressurized air is called pneumatics. Sixth MCQ, suspension of fine solid particles or liquid droplets in air or in other gas is called aerosol. Eighth MCQ, seventh MCQ, scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is called barometer. Atmospheric pressure is calculated by the height of mercury in barometer. Pressure in gases is due to the collision of molecules with the walls of container. Seventh chapter मुकम्मल. सेवन्थ के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 8 पर, जो है मेजरमेंट ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. पहला MCQ है, प्रोसेस ऑफ कंपेयरिंग एन अननोन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी विद अ नोन स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ द सेम काइंड इज कॉल्ड एज मेजरमेंट. सेकंड MCQ है, क्वांटिटी दैट कैन बी मेजर्ड और क्वांटिफाइड इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. नंबर थर्ड, those physical quantities which can neither be divided nor be resolved into simpler ones are called fundamental quantities. Fourth MCQ है, those physical quantities which depend on two or more fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Fifth MCQ, units whose value does not depend on other units are called fundamental units, and units whose value depends on other units are called derived units. Seventh MCQ, measuring cylinder is used in laboratory to measure exact volume of liquid. Eighth MCQ, SI unit of system includes 7 basic units. यहाँ पर चैप्टर 8 मुकम्मल हुआ. चैप्टर 8 के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 9 पर, जो है सोर्सेज एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ हीट एनर्जी. पहला MCQ है, एनर्जी फाउंड ड्यू टू मूवमेंट ऑफ एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स इज कॉल्ड हीट एनर्जी. सेकंड MCQ, आफ्टर बर्निंग कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3 that turns into calcium oxide. ठीक है. थर्ड MCQ, बर्निंग ऑफ सब्सटेंस इन एयर with release of heat and light energy is called combustion. उसके बाद फोर्थ MCQ है, increase in the size of a body due to change in temperature is called thermal expansion, and decrease in the size of body due to change in temperature is called thermal contraction. Bimetallic strip is used in thermostat. Seventh MCQ है, which liquid is used in clinical thermometer, that is mercury. ठीक है. उसके बाद आखिरी MCQ चैप्टर का 8th, नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमंस इज 98.6 फ़ारेनहाइट. ठीक है. अब आते हैं हम चैप्टर नंबर 10 पर, जो है लेंस के बारे में. पहला MCQ, ऑप्टिक पीस ऑफ कर्व्ड ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास दैट रिफ्रैक्ट्स लाइट इन अ स्पेसिफिक वे इज कॉल्ड लेंस. सेकंड MCQ, बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट रे व्हेन इट ट्रेवल्स फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू अनदर इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्शन. लेंस व्हिच इज thick at the middle and thin at upper and lower edges is called convex lens. Lens which is thin at the middle and thick at upper and lower edges is called concave lens. Concave lens always forms only virtual images, but convex lens can form both real and virtual images. Seventh MCQ, convex lens converges light whereas concave lens diverges light. उसके बाद 8th MCQ है, सेंटर ऑफ लेंस इज कॉल्ड इट्स ऑप्टिकल सेंटर and the distance between optical center and principal focus is called focal length. 10th MCQ, long sightedness can be corrected by convex lens and short sightedness can be corrected by concave lens. 12th MCQ, in long sightedness image is formed at the back of retina and in short-sightedness image is formed in front of retina. ठीक है। 14th MCQ है, in short-sightedness eyeball is too long and in long-sightedness eyeball is too short। यहाँ पर जो है चैप्टर 10 मुकम्मल हुआ। चैप्टर 10 के बाद हम आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 11 जो है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन एक्शन। पहला MCQ है, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज कॉल्ड करंट, form of energy produced when charges flow through a conductor is called electricity. Branch of physics that deals with controlling of electric energy is called electronics. Flow of charge that changes direction periodically is called alternating current, and current which flows in one direction is called direct current. 6th MCQ, diode or group of diode which converts AC current to DC current is called a rectifier, and process of converting AC current to DC current is called as rectification. 8th MCQ, device that opposes the flow of electrons in circuit is called a resistor, and 9th MCQ, device which controls flow of electricity is called transistor. Resistor, diode, transistor, IC, these are all the components of an electronic circuit. IC stands for integrated circuit. 12th MCQ, energy produced from heat is called thermal energy. 13th MCQ, electrical energy generated by power of falling or flowing water is called hydroelectric energy, and energy which is generated by wind or by air pressure is called wind energy. 15th MCQ, energy generated from sun by using solar panels is called as solar energy. And last MCQ, which part of bicycle dynamo spins to generate electricity, that part is magnet. 11th के बाद हम आते हैं इस किताब के आखिरी चैप्टर नंबर 12 एक्सप्लोरिंग स्पेस। पहला MCQ, the name the first man-made spacecraft which was launched by Soviet Union, that is Sputnik 1. Second MCQ, first man-made spacecraft Sputnik was launched in October 4, 1957. Third MCQ, device used by space scientists to view distant objects is called telescope. Fourth MCQ, telescope that uses lens is called refracting telescope, and telescope that uses mirrors is called reflecting telescope. Sixth MCQ, optical instrument used to measure properties of visible light is called spectroscope. Splitting of light into constituent colors according to their wavelength is called spectrum. Vehicle sent into space for specific tasks is called spacecraft. 9th MCQ, name the first spacecraft that landed on surface of Venus, that is Venera 9. 10th MCQ, GPS stands for Global Positioning System. 11th MCQ, Global Positioning System consists of how many satellites, that is 30 satellites. And last MCQ है, MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging. यहाँ पर आज का लेक्चर पूरा हुआ। ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी है तो उसको लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू।